Hey you guys, here is the SUNATORIA Keratin Hair Mask with collagen and hyaluronic acid. So this is a deep conditioning treatment. It helps repair, hydrate, and nourish. So I absolutely love anything for the hair. So this is a great size treatment. It's a 3-in-1 Pro line. Again, you would put this in your hair for 5 to 10 minutes and it will help nourish the hair. It has argan oil as well. It is so nice. The texture, look how nice and thick that is. And the smell, oh my god, the smell is so nice. So very light texture, great for the hair. This is how the texture looks like. A little goes a long way with this. I would probably get, just like a little scoop with your fingers, I would say, and then just focus more on the ends and then go into the top of the shaft of your hair. But this is such a nice deep conditioner. Again, 3-in-1. After you wash your hair and shampoo it, you throw this in for a few minutes. You can even do this at nighttime as well. If you want to do an overnight mask, you can use that for that as well. Packaging is great, and I recommend 10 out of 10.